Surviving as a foreigner in Italy involves learning lots of basic Italian phrases. One that you simply cannot live without is
Che cosa vuoi?
which means, what do you want?
Che cosa vuoi?
Let's break the phrase down into its component parts.
Che cosa?
Che cosa is the classic literary form of what in Italian. Translated word for word, che means what, and cosa means thing, so literally, che cosa means what thing. It's also possible to use che and cosa on their own to mean what, but each region has its own preference.
Vuoi.
Vuoi, you want, is the second person singular indicative of
Volere.
to want. Just like the English equivalent, che cosa vuoi is a very direct question that should only be used with people you know very well, otherwise you might appear rude. In a formal situation, it's safer to use a more polite alternative such as,
Che cosa desidera?
what would you like? There are, of course, many ways of expanding on this sentence to provide extra information. Here are a few common examples.
Che cosa vuoi mangiare?
What do you want to eat?
Che cosa vuoi da me?
What do you want from me?
Che cosa vuoi di più?
What more do you want?
Che cosa vuoi dire?
What do you want to say? Or what do you mean? Although che cosa vuoi is often used to genuinely inquire about another person's wishes, it can also work as an expression of annoyance if said with an aggressive tone of voice. In this case, people will also use just
Che vuoi?
or
Cosa vuoi?
preceded by the word ma, meaning but, which acts as an emphatic filler.
Ma cosa vuoi? Lasciami stare. Ma che vuoi? Lasciami stare.
What the hell do you want? Leave me alone. And if you enjoy Italian gestures as much as the spoken language, you'll be happy to learn that there's a widely used gesture for,
Ma che vuoi? Ma che cosa vuoi?
in fact, there's even an emoji for it. Simply pinch your fingers and thumbs together in a vertical orientation and wave your hand, or both hands if you like, up and down. A final translation for ma cosa vuoi, ma che vuoi, when it appears mid-sentence is, what can I say? In this case, it isn't so much a question as a way of emphasizing the fact that you're unable to explain, excuse, or clarify something further.
Ti prendi sempre troppi impegni. Lo so, ma cosa vuoi? Sono fatto così.
You always overextend yourself. Yeah, I know, but what can I say? That's what I'm like.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.